Observing that its effort is to restore people's faith in the rule of law in the strife-torn state, the top court also decided to monitor the overall situation there yesterday. The court said the three-member panel will be submitting reports to it directly. A bench chaired by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud said the committee will be headed by former Jammu and Kashmir High Court Chief Justice Geeta Mittal and includes Justices retired Shalini P. Joshi, a former judge of the Bombay High Court, and Asha Menon, an ex-judge of the Delhi High Court. Cognizant of reports about the border state descending deeper into chaos and more people getting killed in arson and mayhem prevailing, the bench, also comprising Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Misra, which had termed as deeply disturbing the video of women being paraded naked, said it will appoint a committee of 3 former High Court judges to oversee relief and rehabilitation of those affected. We will appoint a committee of 3 former High Court judges, the bench said, and announced a panel of 3 former women judges. It said the committee of judges will be looking at issues including relief, remedial measures, rehabilitation, compensation, and also restoration of homes and places of worship. The bench said the committee of judges will visit the relief camps and assess the conditions there. On the investigation of cases, the court said 11 FIRs will be transferred to the CBI. We are not going to supplant the CBI because you, the state government, have the investigating agency which will be looking after the investigation, the bench said. The top court said to ensure there is a sense of faith, it will direct that at least 5 officers not below the rank of Deputy Superintendents of Police be brought into the CBI on deputation from various states to oversee the probe. It said these officers will be functioning within the administrative setup of the CBI and may be supervised by an officer of the rank of Joint Director in the central agency. We are going to add one more layer of scrutiny for us. We have already identified the officer, the bench said, adding that the former Maharashtra DGP, Dattatreya Patsalgikar, will monitor the overall investigation and keep apprising it of the developments. It said, as per report placed before it by Attorney General R. Venkatakaramani and Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the centre and the state government, about 42 state SITs will be looking at the cases which will not be transferred to the CBI. The bench says for each of these seats, at least 1 inspector from another state be brought on deputation of the Manipur police. It said these 42 seats should be supervised by 6 DIG rank officers who will come in from outside the state of Manipur. The bench said a detailed order will be uploaded on the Apex Court website later in the evening. During the hearing, Manipur Chief Secretary Vinit Joshi and State DGP Rajiv Singh appeared before the bench. The top law officers submitted a report which the Apex Court had sought on August 1st on issues including the segregation of cases. The government is handling the situation at a very matured level, the Attorney General told the bench. The government law officers said the state government proposed to set up special investigation teams headed by the Superintendent of Police at the district level to probe sensitive cases. The CBI has been asked to investigate 11 cases. A battery of lawyers, including Senior Advocate Indra J. Singh, Sanjay H., C.U. Singh, Gopal Sankaraya Ranarayanan, and lawyers Prashant Bhushan, Vrinda Gruver, Nizam Pasha, Vishal Tiwari, gave suggestions to the bench on setting up of seats for investigating cases of ethnic violence. The directions by the top court came days after it said on August 1st that there was a complete breakdown of law and order and constitutional machinery in Manipur.